Alright, this video is for all you dealers out there. This is a single mother. She just bought the CLA hoping it was going to be a good car. She had a check engine light. Look at that. I mean, come on, guys. I'm not going to say the name of the dealer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now today we're going to go into another feature video from TikTok, and before we begin, I can just say there is an old adage that goes, insanity is defined as doing the same thing over and over again expecting a different result. And this is exactly what keeps happening when I come across these videos. And a young lady who decides to go buy a used car and not bringing or talking to an expert mechanic before making such purchases. Mind you, I keep on saying that the auto industry in which I grew up in, it's not the same anymore. Everyone is trying to make a quick buck, and I was trained on the premise that customer relationship, customer retention is the heart of the business. Now, without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Alright, this video is for all you dealers out there. This is a single mother. She just bought the CLA hoping it was going to be a good car. She had a check engine light. Look at that. I mean, come on, guys. I'm not going to say the name of the dealer. But, like, really? You guys didn't see that? Her brakes were down to the metal. She's got mismatched tires all the way around. All the fender liners are missing, and then when these are missing, when water and stuff comes in, it splashes where? Inside the headlight, and then that's how you get issues. And then besides that, her rear tires are not even the same sizes. And then this tire right here in the front is completely bald. And she paid top dollar for this. So, you know, I mean, this is not right whatsoever. Like, if you're charging somebody,
I got nothing. And I said in a previous video that we have to get back to basic, especially when buying a used car. Take the time out, get expert advice, especially there are lots of mechanics out there that you can negotiate with them and say, look, I'm looking to purchase a new car, and what are the best ones out there for me to invest my hard-earned money into? But obviously this wasn't done. This is also as a result, you know, with all due respect, the strong independent thing that is out there among some of our women, not all of them. This will happen to you. However, I hope and pray that this will never happen again to anyone else. We don't want to have this thing going on where people are being duped by crafty persons out there, because I've said it time and time again, there's only a few bad apples out there, and it's casting a very bad image on the entire industry as a whole. But let's continue.
$1 for a car, then at least give them something decent. I mean, if you're doing something like this and you're sending cars out like this, and you know, I mean, it's just gonna come back at you. It's not cool. It's not. I mean, we do good work. We're honest, you know, and that brings business by itself. So getting over on people doesn't help. So hopefully, if you are a dealer and you're watching this, just take into consideration that these people out here, you know, when they're buying these cars, they're putting somewhat some kind of trust in you. So like I said, this is just, we didn't even go through the car completely. Wow. Another day at Benz Tech.
And I can tell you, all she saw was the badge. She saw that Benz badge jumping out on her, and then that's all it took for her to say, okay, I'm keeping up with the Joneses. Not judging her or anything like that. However, this is one of the things. I won't even go into the comments, because the comments on this particular TikTok video, they're ripping that lady to shreds. And I wish that on no one. I took the liberty of sending this video to my advisor for new cars and used cars, Omar Wilson. I've had him a few times on this very program of LFC Auto, and he's going to break down exactly what he does and what the basic standard procedure is whenever he's making delivery of a car to one of his customers. Let's hear what he has to say.
So Chris, every dealer treats the thing different, right? New York State will require that we inspect the car before the car goes out. So every car gets an inspection. That right there, and it's got to be within 30 days. So this car, October, we're probably going to inspect this car shortly. All right, that's why it's probably sitting up here. All right, and just like in the video, it's a CLA, and we gotta make sure all the tire treads are good. See, fender liner is in there. So we go over all the cars pretty much before they go out. Oh, this one is locked, so I'll just show you more. Mercedes, tires are good. We check on all that stuff before the car goes out. Because when it goes to inspection, the inspection is an independent place that does the inspection separate from us, right? It's a New York State thing. Car gets inspected. The tires have to be good on there because they check the threads on the tire. Wipers have to be good. Wipers, we gotta check those. The windshield can't have no cracks in it. Tints on the front glass, no good. The back glass tinted is fine. They check all the lights. Brake lights, headlights, all the lights. Check all those things. Check engine light can't be on either because it won't pass emissions inspection.
And as I said, there are good dealers and there are bad dealers. And Omar took the time out to explain to us and to demonstrate to us. If you want to get in touch with Omar, he's in the tri-state area, New York City, and of LFC Auto. I will leave his link in the description box below. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.